Hey guys, in this video I want to show you my small project on Nintendo Labo Toy-Con Garage. It is simulating Mario jumping to the flagpole at the end of a game level. The experience is really short for less than 30 seconds, but let's have a watch and I would like to show you some details afterwards. That's it. Now let's see what's working inside, which is probably more fun than the outcome. For Y dot movements, I use two counters to represent X, Y position values, and also some move type blocks, aka light up screen nodes, to sort of visualize the counters. So while the Toy-Con button increase or decrease the counters, it is showing us moving the block. For vertical movements, I use bullseyes and end nodes to enable only one or two blocks that are needed to display. And there's a timer decreasing the Y-axis counter to pull down the dot-like gravity. I use a bullseye to disable gravity timer while it's being hit and triggered. So it's like standing onto something without dropping down. And of course, we need a visible floor, so I put the light up screen node, but that's gonna affect the bullseyes and make it trigger by default. Notice there's a range setting for the bullseye. You can adjust how much white color it needs to hit or covers to trigger the output. So I'll check the triggered value and change the lowest range value to just a bit higher. And when our Y dot character comes in, it increases the hitting amount and exceeds the threshold, so then trigger the output as expected. Making an obstacle is quite similar with a bullseye. In this case, it's gonna prevent the control stick from increasing the movement counter. This is what it will look like with everything combined for the stairs. As for the ending music, thanks to this video by Rob Philly that helped me figure out the notes. In the end, there's a button for resetting the experience, just by resetting all counters to 0. Thank you for watching. I hope you do find something interesting and maybe helpful if you're also digging into Toy-Con Garage.